Hello everybody, this is Chuck, Lake, and I'm going to show you a few things that we bought for our camper to make life a little easier for our dogs and make just life in general a little better. I wouldn't quite go glamping, but you know. Anyway, we got a dog ramp. I'd built a couple that they just didn't quite work, and they were kind of clumsy. It covered some boards with carpet, which had all the parts. They were free, but my chocolate lab, Mocha, she weighs about 80 pounds, and she was just struggling going up and down them, so we decided to buy her something to make life a little easier for her. Here we got the pet step. Well, hang on, let me turn over and get to the English side. I can't read that. Planes going over, of course. Live by an airport in the middle, in central United States. So I got the pet step, folding ramp. It's 17 inches wide, 70 inches long when it's unfolded, 36 inches long when it's folded up. Folds in half, as you can see. Here you're coming out of an SUV, trucks, vans, SUVs, and I don't know about this. There you can kind of feel it if you want to. Anyway, 5-year warranty. There. Got the instructions and registration to get a 5-year warranty. Got a warning here, caution, watch your fingers when folding ramp. It's not very heavy. My wife will be able to pick it up and use it. Oh, here we got a little spring thing here. Keeps it together when it's folded for transportation purposes. All right, there we go. Yeah, I think nice rubbery grips. Again, it's 71 inches by 17. So next we'll go put it on the truck and see how it does. See if we can get the dog to go up and down, and I doubt she'll go up and down right now. I have to get my wife Carrie here to coax her along. Can be a stubborn little girl sometimes. Anyway, we'll do the next in just a minute. Okay, we're going to set the ramp up on my truck. I got a Ram 3500 diesel to pull our camper with. Go ahead and set it up. I can't quite get knucklehead out here. I mean, Harper. I'll get my other dog, Harper, out here. Harper, come here. Come here for a minute. Come here. Yeah, this is our Harper, aka Knucklehead. And she's not our lab. Our lab is 80 pounds and 12 years old. She's just not getting around well. But we can let Harper show us how the ramp works. Can you shake? Come here. Can you show us how the ramp works? Come on. Walk up the ramp. There you go. Look at there. Look how good she was. Okay, you want to get down, Harper? She probably won't even use the ramp getting down. Okay, that's how the ramp works. And if you enjoy us making videos like this, please give us a thumbs up, and would appreciate if you subscribe. We're just trying to kick off this business. I'm retired and trying to figure out something to do and make a little bit of money to support my hobbies, and my hobby's camping. My wife's still working, and she won't retire for probably another 6 months or so. Anyway, we appreciate it, everything, for watching our videos and going along with us when we go camping. You all come back now.